What's up, everybody watching? So, I'm not going to be doing this in a short, obviously. This is going to be the first time I've opened up a Pokemon Shining Fates tin. This has been sitting here for a while. I just popped open 3 Vivid Voltage packs on my YouTube shorts, and it just became way too much for me. So we're going to do this. We're going to open the tin, which comes with 2 booster packs in it, and I believe a coin. Kept the scissors close by for this. You don't want to damage the tin. I'll probably end up keeping cards in it afterwards, so I want to keep it in nice condition. Let's see, rip that open. I can show you step by step. There we go. It's very nice. There's 6 art designs of this, which end up making a full Pokemon picture. Let's pop this. How does this open? All the ones I have are sealed, so let's see. Be delicate. There we go. There we go. Pokemon coin. You gotta savor these, especially with Evolving Skies coming out soon. I guess this card's in honor of the 10. Yeah. And here we go. Shining Fates. Come on. Beautiful. This is going to be the pack we start with. I'm going to say this is the lucky pack. Comment what you think. Which one's going to be the lucky pack? Or are we going to have no lucky pack? I'm going to save this one for last. This is what we're going to start with. Here we go. Shining Fates booster pack openings from our collector's tin. Here is a Shining Fates code. Two, 3. Here we go. Nice art on that card. Rusted Sword. Rowlet. Morpeko. I don't think I have this Morpeko. Nickit. Eevee. I don't know if I have this. I might have this Eevee card. Maybe I pulled this, but I like Eevee cards, so I'm happy with this. Gossifleur. Tropius. Doesn't look. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, that first pack started out quite nice. This is a very, very nice way to start out our first Shining Fates tin and first pack in the tin. Lightning Energy. Very nice pull. Wow. I'm putting together a binder of all full art VMAX cards. This is just going well. So right now I've opened 4 packs while filming these, and have pulled those so far. Now, I said this is going to be a lucky pack, so maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Oh, opens so nice and crisp. Shining Fates code. One, 2, 3. What is it? The same packs? Same card. Do not have you. Nice. Basic. More Piku. Doesn't look good. Eevee again. Gossifu. Dreadnought. And green energy. Alright. Well, it wasn't that bad. I mean, it turned out pretty alright for a first Shining Fates tin. I'm happy with the way it went. I got it a little backwards. The first pack ended up being the better of the two. So, you know what? Since this is one of the full-length videos and I can do things like this, it's great. I'm going to reach over here. Look. The things we don't advertise right away. We're going to do one of these Vivid Voltage packs. Because when you're on a roll, you're on a roll. Let's see. Which pack do we want to pick out of this bundle? You. Here's your volunteer. We're going to have a bonus content Vivid Voltage pack. It's been a good day with these so far, so let's keep it going. Last pack luck. Come on, last pack luck. Call it out. Code. Beautiful. Drum roll, please. 3, 2, 1. Clamorant. Nessa. Nutsleaf. Skiddo. This is not making me happy so far. See that? Jolteon. I do not have a Jolteon. I'm satisfied with this. And some energy. You can never go wrong with a Jolteon pull. My first one, so you know what? I'm happy it's going to go right in the binder with the Eevees. Very nice. Everybody, if you're enjoying these videos, like and subscribe for more. That's always appreciated. For those of you who have been liking, subscribing, and commenting, much appreciated. Let me know if you see anything in these videos you particularly like opened. Until next time, have a good day or night, wherever you are. Later.